Hey guys, it's me, Dima, aka Debauchery. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY letter block. It's so easy to make and you can make it at home. It's cute, creative, and cool. So let's get started. The things you will need will be an empty cereal box, a pair of scissors, Sharpie marker, cutter, pencil, a stick of glue gun, a glue gun of course, and finally a pair of ruler. So let's create it. Oh, and I almost forgot. Also you need a template letters. I got the letter D and the letter N. You can customize any letter you like, but I'll prefer the letter D. So first of all, I'm going to cut out the sides of the box and some bits on top. But make sure not to cut yourself. Ask your parents to help you. Now I already cut out the cereal box. Now take out the templates and press it down onto the cereal box. Be sure you have to press it down really hard before you start to draw. Then use a ruler and permanent marker to trace the letter. And cut out the letter. And there you have it. Take out the other piece of cardboard and trace it exactly the same like I did before. So here are all the pieces. So be sure you have to stick the right size before you're going to stick it. Then glue the sides of the letter, but be careful not to burn yourself because the glue is very hot. And now you have it, a 3D letter. Pretty cool, huh? To make a plaster, you need a box of tissues or toilet paper and the white glue paste, and optional water. Make the first layer. It's easy for you to pour the glue onto the mixtures of water, mix it together, then brush it thoroughly. After cover with some tissues, then brush it again. Now I already coated from 2 to 3 times to make a thick plaster. And be sure it has to be hardened before you start painting. To decorate, all you need are acrylic paints. Any color you like, but it has to be acrylic. Right now I'm going to start painting. You can choose any color you like or any pattern you like, but for me, I'm going to make a galaxy. And it's done. Also, I did on the back. It's pretty cool actually when I add the dark blue, light blue, and a touch of purple to look like a real galaxy. Now I'm going to add a little bit of white. And finally, I'm going to add a little bit of stars to look like a galaxy by using corrector. And now it's done. You can display wherever you like, on your desk, on the shelf, whatever you prefer. So I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.